Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can watch sports with ESPN. In order to do so, here we are at espn.com, and what you're looking for can be found in a couple places. We have the subscribe now option here. Also, you can click on ESPN Plus. We'll go ahead and click on subscribe now. And that's going to take us to this page here where we can browse plans which start at $11.99 a month. We'll go ahead and click on browse plans. And now we can see that in order to continue, you are going to need to log in with your My Disney account. So if you have a Disney Plus account already, then you can just log in with that information. Otherwise, you are going to be prompted to start a My Disney account. Also be aware that ESPN is only available in certain locations. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.